Okay, today in this class, I'm going to tell you that how we can make a weather app. Weather app is something like this by which you can type the city name and it will show the weather. As you can see on my screen, I'm typing here the city name Delhi and clicking on check weather, then it is showing the weather. So it is connected with AI. First of all, we will call the package. My package name is import request. Import request is the package by which you can call the AI. From Tkinter input to start from making the window. I just want to start the window name, so I just take the variable app. TK, just the shortcut of the Tkinter so that it can call easily. App.geometry, the size of the window. App.configure.bg, this is the background. App.title, weather app. You can mention any other title also. Title, what sorry. Title means whatever will be there at the top of the screen that is known as the title. See, this is the title. First one, we have mentioned here app.title. It will show here on weather app. The title is just a variable and it will show this one, weather app. So label, because we are making the label, so that's why this is the command. L is capital. App, it is the window name. Text weather app. Background color. FG means foreground color. Foreground means text color. This is the font size, how it will look. Title.pad, pad x and pad y for setting it. X-axis and the y-axis. L1 label, same we are using that whatever we have mentioned upside. After this, we are using here even. Even is this one. This is the entry box. So that whatever user want, he can type. So for this, we'll use even. Even also a variable name. Entry is the command, so E capital. App, up your window name, font size. Even.pack, this is the place where we set our entry box. After this, I want whatever user will type, it will come in Celsius or Fahrenheit, whatever you want. So I want in Celsius. So I just create one variable temp and I use here string var method by which user can mention number and string both together. Like you can see, this is the blank area. When I will typing the city and click on the button, it is showing me. So here you can see string is there, number is there, again the string is there. We're using here integer and string both together. So for this, we're using here temp string var. Again, I'm telling you string var is the command and temp is the variable name. L2, also the variable name, label L capital, app text variable, temp. Up now we are using here text, enter the city name and all. But here we want to check the answer. So we will not use text, we will use text variable. And what is the variable name? Is temp. We will just mention this one. So string var will convert to your integer and string the string var and then it will show the temperature of that particular city. Now the main function is the function one. Diff, define, get weather is the function of the command, like a function name. City, also variable name. Even.get, whatever user will type in the entry, it will take that one. Here we are using API key. For generating the API key, what we should use, you just go here and type here open weather API. Just choose here weather API. If you are new, then you should log in it. I have already mentioned it here, so no need to log in it again and again. This is the API one. If you click on this API, first of all, you should log in it by getting your mail ID information. When it will be started, come here on this area. It will show you your API one. You just click here on this API key and it will generate your one. Again, open weather map. First of all, you should log in it. When you will start logging, then it will show you generate API key. And after generating API key, that will be here. I'm not going to log out it. Let me check if I can. Oh, it's not giving me permission for logging out. It is showing only my service. In my service, you will get the API key here. After this, type here weather and click on generate. This is the other keys which I made with my other student. It is showing weather one. Now simply you can just do copy, and after copying it, you can paste it here. This is my API key. Before this API key, I just want to set the link. App just a format. Open weather map org that I have copied it from Google. And data 2.5, here I'm using Google Gemini, ChatGPT AI 2.5 version. Weather Q, whatever the user will type. So all these things you will type here. You can take it from Google. Like if you will go here, you can just use copy and just use Open Weather Map org. Only this one, not API key. Open Weather Map org. Same thing you will type here. Open Weather AIG, and then data 2.5 weather, that is your choice that which part you want to use. I want to use the latest part, so it is here. Now res request.get API JSON. Res is just a variable name. Request, we are making the packages already. .get API, the API key will be activated, and JSON will convert the value in the Python integer. Now, if response get means if whatever the city you have typed, it has got that one, then Kelvin will show the response in the temperature. And when the temperature will be visible, I just want to convert it in the Celsius. So I'm using the formula Celsius equal to Kelvin minus 273.15. And then it will show the temperature in Celsius. Here you can see that I have mentioned here 0.2F. The purpose of making 0.2F means the decimal value will come till 2 point, like 28.05. It is not showing 28.05768. It is showing only 28.05. So 0.2F means it will show the value after the 2 number. Else, if it will not get the city name, then it will say city not found. In the last, we will create the button, B1 just a variable name, button, B capital because it's a command, app text check weather. All these things are same, background color, font color, and the last we will call app.main loop. After that, when you will run it, it will look something like this. I think it's completely clear for you. Coding is quite easy. Only this function is new, which we make it right now. And I told you already how to make the API key. Just go here and click on my service, or then be my API key, and then you can generate it very easily. Okay, just enjoy your weather app. Remember, it will be connected with API. Without API, it will not. Fine. So just try it and then show it to me.